I want to express in this video. I have to cut because it was very difficult because it started raining, and so I have to cut. In this video, I want to express my last opinion. I want to express that this subject, it was very important because I could learn new words. I could understand all the methods that they apply in the 17th, 80s, and some of them in the 90s. And I know that I have to work a little more because I have to use this news app. I have to be in contact. I have to be in touch with all the new apps. I need to improve all my English. If we want to be good English teachers, we have to be accept. We have to update. Sorry. Uh, I understand, and I know that this video it's going to be uh, bad, but I try. I told you at the first, I feel nervous because this is my first video, and I hope to do the best. Okay, thanks for all, and I want to thanks for this second opportunity, this second chance you gave me to send this homework. Thanks.